me two lovely subscribers here at Rio Hotel. Look what going in.
Hi, Sharice from the UK.
Wesley as well.
Make sure you lot like, comment and subscribe to Yeman TV at Circle.
Yes, no man, believe. So now just go and watch the process. We're gonna have a lot of fun today. So you don't know anything, go. You know, watch the process. Yes, no man. So people, we check in at the Rio Hotel now. So right now, I get my wristband, banging. Somebody here with the family, and you don't know somebody here with Anthony and his family again. You get me? So today, we're gonna enjoy Rio to the fullest. We just get a day pass. You get me? And we're gonna enjoy the place. So now come in, make we have some fun, and make we do the right thing. Alright? We're out here like normal, we're out here like now. If you don't believe, ask God. Watch the process. Put down. Go on. I do a drink sweet in a peeps. I'll bees down the night. So right now, with the round of the water slide park area of the Rio Hotel. So you have the adult water slide up there, and I think over this side is a children one. You see that tall blue one right there? I'm definitely going on that one and slide on in there. So we're gonna check it out. Cause I'm over here to have some fun. The family is here as well, so we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna enjoy the place to the fullest. Alright peeps, so I'm on top of the water slides them. They have so many different type of water slide here. Look at these ones. Right here. So we're gonna go down it right now, alright? I say, people, a while ago I come down the slide. They come like me lift up half of the slide itself. Look like me feel like I did that fly a while ago, peeps. Eh? Yeah! So right now I go back on the slide. They don't allow you to bring your camera to slide down the slide. So we're gonna retry it again. So I'm gonna get to show you going down the slide. But this is what it looked like at the Rio Hotel. Believe it. Yes, no man. Ready? So we are leave that spot here now. We are going one different spot. Big Zach. So I went down all of them about 5 to about 10 times. So yeah man, if you are not from Jamaica, visit the Rio Hotel. It's an all-inclusive hotel. It's like a family thing. And if you're Jamaican, book a day pass and come along. I soon tell you guys the price for a day pass to get in. And when you book a day pass here, food are inclusive. All the pool, the river, the beach, everything inclusive. Alright, so not just go and watch the process. We are going somewhere else right now. But look on the place. Amazing. This is the bucket right here. We're gonna get wet with the bucket. We look at it coming down. As we say, people, we're out here living our best life. What do I want? That is it. The kids them have fun. So we're in an adult area now, peeps. We have the pool bar over there. So as I say, some food we are gonna look right now. Cause hungry. Been sliding and swimming for a long while. Oh, you have a gym right here, so Believe it. So yeah. It's a very nice hotel. Think more than book a night or two over here. Nah lie. Alright, so now my food me I look peeps. See Jamaican side over here, so them have everything. This is my plate when I get. A lot more food over that side here, so I don't know what kind of side that part is about. Have a lot of food. I get to some salad. So when you do a day pass and come over here, all of these foods are included in your day pass. I don't want nothing over here. So we have pizza, salad, we look for one next spot area. Yeah, dressing right here. Sushi?
I don't know what sushi tastes. You know sushi?
I'm gonna try it. Put one in my plate.
All of them different to me.
All of them different.
That's a salmon. That one I want tuna.
Tuna, you put tuna in it. You can't use the same.
Oh, okay.
People, may I try everything with them having. Believe. So this is the... No, one more. Pizza man. No, I don't want it. Yeah.
Soy sauce. Yeah.
Soy sauce?
Yeah. And this.
And which one?
You're allergic to salmon?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
So right now, peace. I'm gonna chill with when we have right after. If anything, me go back again. Alright, so let's do it. Enjoy the food. So right now, I'm digging at my food right now. Hello.
Would you like any of it?
Huh?
Coca-Cola, beer?
No. Today I live like a king, you know. I go drink a red wine, eat out the food here, so and go back for a second round. If you don't believe, just go and watch the process. Remember, if you're local, book a day pass and come in here. Alright? It's all of these including in the day pass. Free food, free drinks. Not really free because you pay a day pass to come in. But you get all of these food. You get to explore the pool, the beach, you name it. Just forward, man. You won't regret it. So I go and enjoy this, wait for the red wine. If I go get any more food, I go let you know. And also, I never tried sushi before. So, hope me I say it right. But I go try it for the first time. I try it because it's right now.
I think that one's beef, sorry.
Bad. Lucky. Yes, no boy. You don't know, so we out here back at it like a crack addict. So right now we just eat off one plate of food. The kids them full them belly. So right now we are gonna We head to the beach. We are going to swim out the food and come back again and refill again. You don't know a thing go. So not just go and watch it. You have Teddy Brookshot at Wellington. He's gone.
Teddy.
Teddy gone. Nate and Teddy. So we're there. We are going to beach. Come in. We're going to swim. So we're walking to get to the beach right now. Go hold some swim. Have our vibes, and then later we're going to jump in our pool party style. So right now we reached down on the beach. Look what going on here now. Be a swimming in our beach. So don't get so hot. Come in. We're gonna enjoy it. Yeah. So yeah, people, we did have feed some nice fish. Yo, you say me did have a fish gun? Jaja. This is some nice pompano jack. This is some this is snapper as well. You can just comment down below all that type of fish them wanna see in the water there. Yo, that was amazing. So yeah, so right now we are going to head to one pool. Them are doing a little thing at the pool as well, so we are going to check it out. We did play one pool game, but it look like rain are going to fall, so the DJ them take out the thing them out of the water, so we're in a different pool and go and chill and relax. You get me? But yo, I definitely have to come back right here, so no joke about it. So I want to big up Anthony and his family, yeah man, because they make this possible, you see it? So, if you're not there in Jamaica and you want to come to a day pass to experience what the tourists them experience, yeah man, you just do it. Just shut on the eye and do it, or open the eye and do it, you get me? It's a vibe out here, believe it. Pan! Guana? So right now, peeps, we're in our pool bar. In a bar, I get 2 drinks and I chill. So I think we're gonna get some mango daiquiri with them have and thing. You get me? So we are here living the life. Bob and Rita Bond. And they top it up with rum. Rain start fall now, like crazy. So right now we'll get ready to leave and head back to Kingston. Right, this day pass was, I'm gonna do this again, but definitely I'm gonna do this again and do this with the family again. Got them enjoy, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah man.
And subscribe.
Yeah, so we're in the rain and we are enjoy to the fullest. Alright? Love you know. Big up on yourself. If you don't see we back, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Believe.